pH calculations. In ionic equilibrium, mostly our target is pH calculation. So different type of solution those are, but they're pH calculations. You can see here one by one. So pH calculation of strong acid and pH calculation of strong base and pH calculation of strong acid plus strong base or pH calculation of strong acid plus strong acid mixture and pH calculation of strong base plus strong base. If you may can see rare cases, this is strong acid plus weak acid. This is also another special case we'll discuss. And pH calculation of weak acid and pH calculation of weak base and pH calculation of salts, which is combination of different type of salts which is you are expecting. And next, buffer solution. Salts means you may can get here different type of salts, which is combination of already given strong acid plus strong base one type and strong acid plus weak base other type and weak base plus strong acid and last one weak acid plus weak base also. So these are different type of calculations. All these are pH calculation. In every case our final target is pH calculation.
Yes, sir.
So you can see how to do all these things. We can discuss few each one example like that you make understand. So few things which is I need to discuss here. Strong acids.
Sir, can you scroll up, sir? And
Okay, one note down. Fine.
yes, sir.
So SA means strong acid. SB means strong base. A means acid. B means base. W indicate weak.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. Okay, done, sir.
Fine. So here we are discussing about strong acid pH calculations. Here maybe they will give directly or indirectly also they will give. For example, here question is calculate the pH of following solutions. For example, I am giving here 0.049 grams of H2SO4 dissolved in 100 ml of solution. So calculate its pH. That's the question.
Okay, sir.
Shall we try it?
Yes, sir.
You can calculate 10 power minus 8 m HCl. So here first you have to do first case. Normality you have to calculate weight by given gram equivalent weight into 1000 by VML. Or you can calculate molarity then convert into normality, because pH formula is minus log H plus n. Mostly we preferred here normality. So weight is 0.049 by equivalent weight is 98 by 2. In fact, is 2 for H2SO4 into 1000 by 100. So you can cancel this is, and this is you may can expect 49. And how many times this is moving? So I think so 0.49 by 49. I think so 10 power minus 2. So we can write directly pH equal to minus log 10 power minus 2. Nothing but 2 is the pH.
Yes, sir.
So this is very famous question. Even there are number of times, and even your NCRT book also contains same question.
Yes, sir.
What is the pH of the 10 power minus 8 MHCl?
8, sir.
But acid pH how much? Less than 8 or more than 8? Less than 7.
Uh, Less than 7, sir.
So we are getting 8 means something hidden concept is there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's we are going to discuss here.
Okay.
Yeah, we can say H2 also will dissociate at 25 degrees centigrade, H plus and OH minus you can get it. So what is the concentration of H plus at 25 degrees centigrade?
10 power minus 7.
Very good. So 10 power minus 7. Same HCl also they given here, they dissociate H plus and OH minus. I'm calculating here approximately, not accurate value exactly, just approximately. This is also 10
There
power
should
minus
be
8.
L minus, right?
Then what is the H plus total concentration? We have to add both water plus acid. 10 power minus 7. This is from water, and H plus from acid 10 power minus 8. Shall we take common here? 1 plus 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 7. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Because this you can write 0.1. 0.1 into 10 power minus 7. Then you can take it common.
Yes, sir.
So this is 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 7. Then you can apply pH formula. pH equal to minus log H plus n. That's nothing but 1.1 into 10 power minus 7. This is looking log AB formula. This A and B.
Yes, sir.
So I can write here 7 minus log 1.1. Log 1.1 is somewhat value is there.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it? So that's approximately, if you are taking log 1.1 you make and search, then approximately you'll get less than 7 only, that is fixed. So
Yes, sir.
6.89 something they given. So pH is less than 7 or not?
Yes, sir.
So acidic in nature. So 10
Yes, sir.
power minus 8 MHCl value is pH is less than 7. Generally we are assuming